Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create vector, rainbow, watercolor, brush smears in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw horizontal 7 lines. Align panel. Shift F6. Select lines and click on vertical distribute center in the Align panel. Go to Window menu and Brush Libraries and Artistic Paint Brush. Brush 1, Brush 2, Brush 3, Clip Brush 3, Paint Brush Wide, Palette Knife, Brush 1, Stroke Weight 2 point, Stroke Weight 2 point, Stroke Weight 3 point, Stroke Weight 2 point. Stroke Weight 1.5 point. Give rainbow colors to the strokes. R201, G66, B72, R247, G147, B30, R252, G240, B61, R82, G190, B97, R41, G171, B226, R72, G75, B160, R56, G50, B120. Select lines and go to Object menu and expand appearance. Go to Object menu and envelop distort and make with warp. Alt Shift Ctrl W. Style arc. Select horizontal. Bend 50%. Horizontal 50%. Vertical 5%. Go to Object menu and expand. Select Object and fill. Make bigger. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Right click and arrange and send to back. Shift Ctrl open square bracket. Transparency panel. Shift Ctrl F10. Apply multiply blending in the transparency panel. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Finally, your rainbow watercolor brush smears is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create beautiful rainbow watercolors brush stroke paint design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.